In this video, I will show you how to add a color fill room legend on the side. So we use a lower level floor plan as the sample. So first you have to have those rooms labeled, and then you go to Annotate tab and locate a command called a color fill legend under color fill group. You click on the command, and then you're going to place legend next to the floor plan. And here you can decide how to place the space by rooms, and the color scheme. The color would change based on the name of the room or department. It's not office, so it's just a residential house. Each room, we have 3 types of rooms, or 4 types: living, badge, bath, and storage. We're going to change the color according to names. So click OK. Now it says living room, bedroom, bathroom, each has a different color, and the 2 storage rooms have the same color. Repeat this step for the entry level. Color fill legend under Annotate tab. Place next to the floor plan. Change the color scheme based on the room name. Relocate it if necessary. And save the project.